Mina no Nihongo N4 Lesson 41 Part 1 Ichiban Yarimas give to a younger person subordinate animals or plants. Inu ni esa o yarimas. I feed the dog. Niban agemas to raise lift. Te o agete shitsumono shimasu. I raised my hand and asked a question. Sanban sagemas lower pull down. Netsuga sageta my favor came down. Yonban shinsetsu ni shimasu treat kindly. Kare wa itsumo kori no hito ni shinsetsu ni shimasu. He is always kind to the person around him. Goban kawaii cute pretty. Kawaii kawaii koneko desu ne. What a cute kitten. Rokuban oiwai celebration. Ashita wa kekkon no oiwai party desu. Tomorrow there is a party celebrating our marriage. Nanaban otoshidama money given as a New Year's gift. Sofubo ni otoshidama o moraimashita. I received a New Year's gift from my grandparents. Achiban omimai visiting someone who is sick. Tomodachi no omimai ni ikimashita. I'm going to visit my sick friend. Juban Joho information. Sono ken ni suite atarashi joho ga hairimashita. New information has come to light regarding that case. Grammar point 1. Expressions for giving and receiving. When the speaker receives something, noun 2, from someone of higher status, noun 1, itadakimasu is used rather than moraimasu. Example 1. Watashi wa kacho ni omiyage o itadakimashita. I received a souvenir from the company president. 2番 Watashi ni noun o kudasaimasu. When someone of higher status gives the speaker something, kudasaimasu is used rather than kuremasu. 例に Kacho ga watashi ni omiyage o kudasaimashita. The company president gave me a souvenir. 例3 Kacho ga musume ni omiyage o kudasaimashita. The department manager gave me daughter a souvenir. Grammar point 3. N1 ni N2 o yarimasu. When the recipient is someone of lower status, an animal or a plant, yarimasu should really be used. But it is common to use agemasu as it is more polite. Example 4. Watashi wa musuko ni okashi o yarimashita agemashita. I gave my son some sweets.